Hi, how are you all? Hi Ranga. Hi Pratibha. Good morning. A very beautiful Goki morning to all of you guys. Thank you so much for joining today again, as ever, and making this session a success. Hi Rakesh. Namaste Rakesh ji. Namaste Ranga ji. Chimushe. Nice name Chimushe. That's quite a different name. Okay, 3,000 people have joined. Not bad, and more people are joining. I hope so. And okay, hi Viram. So it's the TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. So I hope you have a lovely weekend coming up. छुट्टियां शुरू होने वाली हैं और एक आज के दिन काफ़ी लोग चिल्ड आउट होते हैं, काफ़ी रिलैक्स्ड होते हैं. Okay, hi Dr. Manoj. Oh God, I mean it's so difficult. I sometime back I wanted to be a doctor. एंड yes, वो होता है छोटे शहरों में आज भी होता है कि या तो डॉक्टर बनेंगे या इंजीनियर बनेंगे और दोनों में से कोई एक चीज़ ही आप बन सकते हो. तो या आई couldn't be a doctor, so it always makes me happy when I interact with doctors. Hi Helen. Okay, so yes, today's topic is very important topic and I am just amazed to see that there is so much to discuss on sex. देखो अभी हम आई थिंक वी हैव बीन डूइंग दिस सेशंस फ्रॉम लास्ट 3 months every week, every day almost, and yet every day there is a new topic. Can you see, have you, like those who are old users would actually make a notice that how diverse this topic of sex is. हम कहते हैं sex मतलब sex, बट सेक्स में कितनी चीज़ें आती हैं, राइट? प्लेजर, कंसेंट, लाइक आज हम बात करें कंसेंट, फोरप्ले, हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ों की बात की है अभी तक. सो yes, I think this is very interesting, a session today, going to be a session today. So yeah, and the quiz is about to start guys. 2 मिनट में क्विज स्टार्ट होने वाला है. आप क्विज ज़रूर अटेंड कीजिए, स्कोर्स बनाइए, पॉइंट्स जीतिए, क्लेम कीजिए अवार्ड्स को. एंड yes, I think it's just a month to more to go. November में quiz, India Health Quiz will be like, it will have the grand finale where we'll see like who are the eventual winners, the topmost winners. So yeah, just keep doing and keep winning points. So hi Kavita. Hello Dr. Gaurav. Hi Mahesh. Hi Praful. तो जैसे कि मैं बता रही थी कि आज हम कंसेंट और सेफ्टी की बात करेंगे. व्हाट इज़ सेफ सेक्स, व्हाट इज़ कंसेंट, एंड सो जस्ट टू बिगिन विथ व्हाट इज़ कंसेंट. व्हाट मीन्स कंसेंट? कंसेंट मीन्स टू एग्री टू डू समथिंग और फॉर समथिंग टू हैपन. ओके, सो कंसेंट का मतलब है कि यू गिव कंसेंट टू do a certain thing, like you agree to do certain thing, or you agree for something to happen, like you are a part of it. So even if you are not doing it, it is still happening in your life. Okay, so this is what consent is. And why do I need consent? I mean, why do I need to take consent? See, taking consent of your partner means that you respect their body. Okay, first of all, you respect their body, you respect their boundaries, you respect their feelings, you respect their decisions. Okay, so it is an important part, consent is an important part to make sex mutual, safe and enjoyable. ठीक है, तो ये एक छोटा सा आपको मैंने जिस बैकग्राउंड दिया, व्हाट इज़ कंसेंट, व्हाई इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज it, when you ask someone a yes, that are you like agreeing to what we are going to share just now, you are actually giving an importance to them, importance to their choices, their decisions, their boundaries, their limitations, right? And that is why consent is important. Hi Adinath. So we are just going to the quiz. It's just I think starting in 15 seconds from now. तो हम वेट करेंगे, आपका इंतज़ार करेंगे. इसकी बात करेंगे प्रतीक. जस्ट स्टे ट्यून्ड, डू द क्विज एंड बिल्कुल हो सकता है. ओके, हाय हेमिन. सो आई थिंक गाइस आप लोग को क्विज नहीं डिस्प्ले होता क्या आपकी स्क्रीन पे? कोई इशू आता है या लाइक यू हैव जॉइन लेट टुडे? हाय कैटी, हाय आजम, हाय वरुण. So those who have joined late, I'm just giving a quick recap to what we are about to discuss today. Okay, so first thing we are going to discuss is what is consent. Consent is to agree to do something or for something to happen. Agreement, saying yes. It's not like ये consent नहीं होता है. Consent मतलब clear active yes. Yes. Okay, like I am saying yes. It's not like okay, I'm not sure, maybe, might be. तो ये सब ना ये कंसेंट नहीं होता है. तो पहली चीज़ तो कंसेंट का मतलब होता है एक्टिव येस, क्लियर येस, एंथुसियास्टिक येस, इन फुल अवेयरनेस, लाइक ऐसे मतलब नशे में हैं या फिर कॉन्शियस नहीं है, वो कंसेंट नहीं होता है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू जस्ट गेट इनटू मोर डिटेल अबाउट दी what is consent, but basically it means agreement, active, clear, enthusiastic agreement, saying yes. And why do I need consent? I do need consent because it means that I respect my partner's body, boundaries, decisions, choices, preferences. So it's more about, it's not like, see, no, none of us are an object. We don't want someone to just come and do anything they want to. Definitely there is a like, okay, what is it that you want, what is it that I want. तो ये सारा consent होता है. इसको मतलब that is why consent is important, because you actually ask from the other person, what do they like, which means you give their opinion and importance, which means you give them an importance. So that is why consent is important, because it means that you respect the other person. Okay, you respect their choices, decisions, boundaries, limitations, right? And consent also makes sex more pleasurable, because now it is mutual. Now both people are agreeing to do something. It is safe because anyone has an hesitation, they can actually share. And it's great. The sex is great with consent. So it's something that is like very essential. Consent is very essential in sex. अब हम बात करेंगे 4 चीज़ों की: what, when, how and who. Okay, so I think we will just wait for 30 seconds, guys, because this is very important topic. So I just want everyone to be here, and there are some people who are attending the quiz. ठीक है, तो प्लीज़ थोड़ा सा इंतज़ार कीजिए. तो कंसेंट की बात कर रहे थे हिंदी भाषी दर्शकों के लिए, कि कंसेंट का मतलब होता है कि स्वेच्छा कहते हैं, जैसे कि आपका कंसेंट है या नहीं, मतलब आपकी इच्छा है या नहीं. तो इच्छा से बात होती है कि आप किसी और से उनकी राय पूछते हैं, उनका ओपिनियन लेते हैं, है ना. तो उससे क्या होता है कि आप उनको एक इम्पॉर्टेंस देते हैं, राइट. तो इसलिए कंसेंट बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. ग्रेट. सो द क्विज इज़ ओवर एंड लेट्स सी अबाउट द स्कोर्स. जल्दी बताइए हमारे यूजर्स who have actually won or who have tried. Everything is like great. Hurry up, guys. 16,000 users. I mean, that's amazing. That's like unbelievable. Please carry on with this course. And okay, 50. Sunita 50. Congratulations. Siddiq 50. Dr. Manoj 50. Ashish 50. Great. Big shout out to all of them. Hi Prafulla. Great. Hi Jen. Hi Anita. Lovely. No worries, Vijay. Better luck next time. Lohita, congratulations. Kavita, better luck next time. Thank you for attempting. Nice, Chetna. Oh, Chetna. Okay, great Chetna. Nice to see you here. We'll talk soon. Okay, don't worry. Hi Dilip. Hi Ranga. Hi Suresh. Hi Bhavar. Okay, so let us talk about consent because we are running out of time and there is lot to cover. Very much, lot of things to cover. So consent का मतलब होता है एक basic agreement होना चाहिए, clear active yes होना चाहिए कि क्या आप इस चीज़ से सहमत हैं, आर यू एग्रीइंग टू दिस थिंग. सो कंसेंट मीन्स क्लियर एक्टिव एंथुसियास्टिक येस. ओके, and why consent is important? Because it makes us respect our partner, respect their boundaries, respect their body, respect their preferences, their limitations, everything. So it makes us value a person. Okay, so this is a guys. So please. So finally we are back. Finally it is working. So yes, I hope 20,000 people are there. Great. Thank you so much for your patience. Deep apologies. But this is how life is. Like we all have to help each other in our low times and high times. तो ठीक है, ज्ञान हो गया. अब बात आते हैं, मुद्दे की बात पे आते हैं. तो विजय जी अब आपको शायद मैं दिख रही होंगी. ओके, so we are talking about 4 questions about consent. What, when, how and who. So what does a consent look like? Okay, हम कहते हैं consent कैसा होता है? तो consent का मतलब है enthusiastic active yes. Okay, it's not consent. It is not consent. तो हाँ ओके, कंसेंट नहीं होता है. ठीक है, कंसेंट का मतलब होता है यस, आंखों में आंखें डालकर यस कहना, इसको कहते हैं कंसेंट, इसको कहते हैं एंथुसियाज्म. किसी दबाव में आके हाँ कहना हाँ नहीं होता है. प्लीज़ उस हाँ को हाँ ना ले. अगर कोई दबाव दिया जा रहा है, प्रेशर दिया जा रहा है, मैनिपुलेशन किया जा रहा है, सो यू कैन नॉट कंसिडर अ यस दैट इज obtained by any kind of pressure, manipulation, misinformation. That is not a consent. Consent is like clear, active, informed yes. Enthusiastic, I will add enthusiastic yes. So that was what does consent look like? When do I need to take a consent? You have to take consent every time. It doesn't mean that you are in a relationship and you have taken a consent yesterday. So yesterday you had sex and today you are assuming that okay, they are ready for sex. No, you need consent every time. Okay, and for every specific sexual act, which means that if you have decided okay, you want to go for a oral sex, doesn't mean that they have agreed for anal sex. So consent is specific. Consent for one activity doesn't mean consent for another activity. In the same way, if there is a young girl, this is what I have faced a lot of times. I don't know, मतलब मेरे को सर में हेडेक हो जाता है जब मैं सोचती हूँ. But I completely understand that this is a flaw of sex education, that we are not given sex education, consent education, and that is why it is like. So if I, as a young girl, if I have kissed a boy, then he used to assume that okay, I'm ready for sex. Or even if I have made out. So it doesn't mean consent overlapping नहीं होता है कि अगर एक एक्ट के लिए आपने कंसेंट लिया तो दूसरे एक्ट के लिए भी ये. So if an unmarried girl, please pay attention, and even unmarried men, and even relationships, so not just about unmarried, but because they are relatively young, if a girl or a girl is giving a consent for say making out or just kissing, and it happens with boys also. I've seen a lot of men also, they they are with like sexually dominant women, and it has happened. So one of my male friend, he's very shy, and it has happened that okay, the woman actually tried to surpass the boundary. So if you are giving consent for a specific sexual act, which is say kissing, making out, necking, petting, I mean anything which is not related to intercourse, it doesn't mean that it is implied that you have also said yes to intercourse. No, you can still say no to intercourse and still say yes to kissing, and the person has to respect it. This is what consent is like. When a consent should be taken, it has to be taken every time. This is the timing. Every time a consent has to be taken. Now you will say that okay, I'm into I am into a relationship and we are trying and we have started. Do you mean that we have to pause for every act and we have to say okay, would you consent? No, I'm not saying this, but some things need to be discussed. Like before you even get into the act, are you ready that you want to have sex together? That is where the primary consent comes. And if yes, then okay, it gets in. Then you want to try something new, you will ask them like, okay, would you like me doing this? It's not about tell me yes or no, it's about would you like me doing this? You can ask in a flirty way, what do you think about this? So there could be a lot of ways to ask consent. Okay, but a communication is important. A two-way communication channel is important. It is not one person is telling the other person, okay, ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है. नहीं, आपको उनसे पूछना पड़ेगा, आपको उनसे डिस्कस करना पड़ेगा. Rather, I will use discussion. I will use two-way communication. Okay, so that's about the consent. कि when a consent should be taken every time in the sexual act. Tomorrow, yesterday, today, consent has to be taken every time. Okay, so that's about the consent of when. So we discuss what is what a consent looks like, when a consent should be taken. How do I get consent? So like I said that you can ask them directly, that is kind of a question, or you can flirtingly ask them like, ना क्या लगता है तुम्हें ये आज तो मतलब कुछ अलग हो जाए, तो उसमें एक इंटीमेसी की बात होती है. अगर आप डायरेक्टली नहीं पूछना चाहते हैं, फ्लर्ट करके पूछ सकते हैं, बट पूछना ज़रूरी है. सो again it depends on you how comfortable you are trying to put a question, but it needs to be asked, it needs to be discussed. That's the point. So how a consent should be taken depends on your ways. You can choose a certain way, but yes, it needs to be asked. Then who? So हमने what discuss किया, when discuss किया, how discuss किया, and who can give a consent. A person who is unconscious, who is under the influence of alcohol, who is under the influence of drugs, cannot give a consent. Okay, you need to be active, you need to be aware, you need to be awake. You cannot be in half slept way and you are saying like yes, no, you have to be in your senses. तो कई बार क्या होता है, हुकअप्स होते हैं under the influence of alcohol, and maybe the girl is so drunk or the boy is so drunk, they don't know, and then say, वो फिल्मों में दिखाते हैं कि हो गया ऐसे, इंटीमेसी हो गई, बट वो फिल्मी होता है. रियल लाइफ में यू नीड टू बी इन योर सेंसेस, यू नीड टू बी कम्प्लीटली इन योर सेंसेस. सो मे बी light drinking is okay, but a drinking that actually gets you out of your senses is completely unadvisable when it comes to sex. तो प्लीज़ हैवी ड्रिंकिंग करके सेक्स ना करें, क्योंकि कई बार सेफ्टी के लिए भी इशू होता है कि you know, even a person knows how to put a condom, may not put it correctly when he's drunk. Okay, so even safety is concerned, so you should not actually get into the sexual act when you're like heavily drunk. Though it may feel like adventurous, thrilling कि हाँ यार बिल्कुल trip, we are tripped and you know we want to have it, but that's like more of a fantasy. In reality, you need safety for yourself and for the other person. So no consent taking when the person is not conscious. One more thing is to add is consent is also legally required to take a consent, because अगर आप बिना consent के, please mind everyone, be it girls, women, men, if you are actually forcing a person to have sex without consent, it's a criminal offense. You cannot force a person to have sex against their wishes. That's called assault. And also can be rape. It can also be called as a rape. So बिना कंसेंट के अगर आप किसी के साथ सेक्स कर रहे हैं, ज़बरदस्ती सेक्स कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो इंटीमेट रिलेशनशिप क्यों ना हो, इट इज़ अमाउंटिंग टू सेक्शुअल असॉल्ट. सो प्लीज़ बी केयरफुल, प्लीज़ नो अबाउट योर राइट्स, कि आपके क्या राइट्स हैं. सो कंसेंट जो है इट इज़ ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड बाई लॉ फॉर द सेक्शुअल एक्ट. एंड ऑन दिस लाइन, who can give a consent? Minor cannot legally give a consent. Someone who is who is called a minor under the age of 18. Some countries it is even under the age of 16, 17, but India it is under the age of 18. So a girl or a boy legally cannot give a consent under the age of 18, and it can amount to rape or sexual assault. Okay, so that's what consent. Let's talk about another model of consent which is called fries. तो फ्रेंच फ्राइज जिसने भी खाई है मैकडी में, ओके, या घर में बना के खाई है, तो फ्राइज मॉडल होता है कि कंसेंट का मतलब फ्राइज, FRIES. तो फ्राइज का मतलब, पहला F का मतलब होता है फ्रीली गिवन, लाइक इट इज़ विदाउट प्रेशर. कंसेंट इज गिवन विदाउट प्रेशर, मैनिपुलेशन और अंडर द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ एल्कोहल. फ्रीली गिवन मतलब बिल्कुल अपनी इच्छा से हमने कंसेंट दिया है, कोई प्रेशर नहीं है कि नहीं तुम्हें करना पड़ेगा, तुम मेरी बीवी हो तो तुम्हें करना पड़ेगा, या तुम मेरे साथ इतने दिन तक हुआ, तुमने मुझे छूने नहीं दिया, तुम्हें करना पड़ेगा। तो ऐसा प्रेशर दे के कंसेंट लेना नहीं होता है। फ्रीली गिवन, इट शुड बी फ्रीली गिवन, इट शुड कम फ्रॉम आवर ओन, दैट येस वी वॉन्ट टू गेट इंटीमेट, आई वॉन्ट टू गेट इंटीमेट, ओके, दैट इज़ वेयर कंसेंट कम्स। अगर कोई ऐसा रिलेशन है जहाँ पे इमोशनल डिस्कनेक्ट है, कंपैटिबिलिटी नहीं है, प्यार नहीं है, और वहाँ पे सेक्स मांगा जा रहा है और ज़बरदस्ती लिया जा रहा है, दैट इज़ एन असॉल्ट, दैट इज़ अ मेंटल असॉल्ट, इमोशनल असॉल्ट, physical assault. So please don't force yourself to do something under any obligation. You are under no obligation to give consent, even if you are married, even if you are in relationship. It is about you, you come first. So if you do not want to give consent due to any reason, yes Chetna, I was actually talking about that context. So yes, consent should be freely given, it should not be obtained under force, obligation कि नहीं ये है, ऐसा है, वैसा है. That's not consent, that's more like I will say it's a clear assault on the soul, body, and I definitely would not appreciate that, like the person itself. So better not comment more, because फिर ज़्यादा ही नारीवाद हो जाएगा, नारीवादी भी चले जाऊँगी, फेमिनिज्म में चले जाएंगे. तो ये चीज़ है कि कंसेंट होता है फ्रीली गिवन. सेकेंड होता है रिवर्सिबल. You can change your mind even if you have said yes, because it is your consent, so you can take it back. It's my consent, I want to take it back. Yes, I know I gave it to you initially, but now I feel like I don't want to give the consent. I can take it back, and you can give, you have to appreciate it. So you can change your mind anytime, okay? Even if you have done this before, so you had sex with someone before, and now you are not into a relationship, and you are meeting again a man and he's saying no, तुम्हें याद है हमने पहले सेक्स किया था तो आज भी करना है. नहीं, हमने कहा था पर हम अभी नहीं भी कह रहे. Even within the sex also, like say you started having intimacy, okay, you had kissing, you are liking it, you are going to foreplay, and then suddenly you feel that no, I don't want to go ahead, though I know we discussed it. Yes, we discussed it, I gave a clear active yes, I remember, yeah, but now I think I want to change my mind, I don't want it. It's okay. Now you're not under obligation कि तुमने पहले तो कहा था तुम्हें करना ही पड़ेगा. नहीं, तो याद रखिए, फ्रीली गिवन रिवर्सिबल कंसेंट होता है कि कंसेंट वापस भी ले सकते हैं. इन्फॉर्म्ड. सो कंसेंट शुड ओनली बी गिवन आफ्टर you know the full story of the person, anything that is presented to you that made you give your mind to consent. So maybe it is something like he said that yes, I'm not married, and you agreed, okay, we are going to have sex, and suddenly you went to the hotel and you found in his wallet that okay, there is this woman, and you asked who she is, and then he says I'm married. Then you have all the right to say no, because you were under the impression of certain information that this is what consent is, and now that information is no more valid, you are free to take back that consent, because it should be given once you have the complete information. So if someone says that yes, we will do sex, and it is assumed that they have a condom, now when you are going to have sex, the condom is not there, so it is completely okay for you to say no, we want a condom. I was under impression that you are carrying a condom, and not that you are not carrying, you have to bring that up, or else we have to postpone it. तो ये कंसेंट होता है फ्रीली गिवन, रिवर्सिबल, इन्फॉर्म्ड, एंथुसियास्टिक कंसेंट. मतलब कि you really want to do it. Like I said, enthusiasm, ये I want to have sex, ये I want to have foreplay, ये this. तो वो एक ये जो होता है ना, ये वाला एलिमेंट होना चाहिए. इट्स नॉट लाइक या आई वॉन्ट टू हैव, नहीं, एक खुशी दिखनी चाहिए चेहरे पे अगर आप वाकई में खुश हो, बिकॉज सेक्स बहुत इंटीमेट मैटर होता है. तो एक एंथुसियाज्म होना चाहिए. स्पेसिफिक का मतलब मैंने पहले भी बताया था कि कंसेंट फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक सेक्शुअल एक्ट, लाइक इफ यू आर मेकिंग आउट, देन दैट्स अ कंसेंट. फॉर सेक्स, देन अगेन दे कैन जस्ट सटली आस्क लाइक ओके, कैन आई कम इन, कैन आई कम इनसाइड यू. That's it. You just need to ask, like, it's not like okay, I'm asking a question. ऐसा नहीं होता. You can ask it in a subtle manner, but yes, you need to, or it is discussed before that yes, we are going for sex. तो communication ज़रूरी है. Let's talk about safe sex. So consent तो हो गया, चलो consent है, ready है. अब sex होने जा रहा है. तो अब सेक्स में क्या है कि हम सेफ सेक्स की बात कर रहे हैं कि अब हमें इम्प्लाइड कंसेंट है. तो पहली चीज़ होती है कंसेंट, उसके बाद सेफ्टी आती है कि नाउ दैट वी आर गोइंग टू हैव सेक्स. सो व्हाट इज सेफ सेक्स? Safe sex means protecting yourself as well as your partner from all the sexually transmitted infection and diseases. It is to make sure that you and your partner stays healthy, even if that partner is a hookup partner. So partner is a partner, and the safety of other person is also important as much as our safety. Now, what is STD? See, STD are infections that can be passed from one person to the other person through any kind of sexual act. So these could be oral sex, anal sex, vaginal sex, genital contact, deep mouth kissing. Yes, deep mouth kissing can also lead to certain kind of sexual infections. And you need to protect yourself from all those infections, because these days we are having multiple sexual partners. So the only way to be safe from all kind of STDs and STIs is to be completely abstaining from any kind of sex. तो अगर सेक्स कर रहे हैं तो थोड़ा सा तो रिस्क आएगा. Now, how to eliminate that risk? You can be in a monogamous relationship when you know the status of the partner. Now, you cannot be in monogamous relationship with someone who is actually had STI or STD. तो ये भी समझना है कि monogamous relationship in itself doesn't guarantee not having STD or STI. You need to have a monogamous relationship where both of you are free from any sexual diseases, infections, and then you can even have unprotected sex if both of you are loyal to each other, both of you know that you are not sleeping with other people. But some of us do have other partners. We do have a history of partners. So in that case, it is very much essential to follow protection. So one way to be safe is by using a barrier method, which is like condom, dental dam, internal condom, which is called female condom, and so every time you have sex. ओके, सो बैरियर मेथड कॉन्डोम तो हम सबको पता है कि मेल कॉन्डोम होता है, फीमेल कॉन्डोम भी होता है जिसमें 2 रिंग्स होते हैं. इनफैक्ट फीमेल कॉन्डोम जो होता है दैट ऑल्सो इट इज़ worn बाय द फीमेल्स ऑफ कोर्स, एंड इट कैन बी worn up to 6 hours before the sexual activity, but it has to be properly worn, weird. So how there are 2 rings in the female condom. जो outer ring होता है that actually rubs around the clitoris and the vulva, and the inner ring can rub on the tip of the penis. Inner ring, which is like inside the woman's vulva and in the vagina. So actually female condom can give a different kind of sensation altogether, right? And barriers protect your genitals because they cover the part of it, but some barriers like condom does not give the entire like genital, like there could be some diseases which can be passed out from genital to genital contact, skin contact. So some cases where condom cannot be effective, like definitely for HIV, a lot of serious diseases, incurable STDs, condom is the best protection. But some diseases which can just be by just genital contact, so surrounding area of the penis or the balls. So for that you need to actually see if the organ is like, there are some symptoms. So it can have warts, it can have sores, there could be some like different kind of unusual kind of liquid coming out. So there could be some symptoms. So please you have to take care of it. And how you will take care of it is by getting yourself checked for STIs regularly. If you are sexually active, if you think you have multiple sexual partners, even though serial multiple sexual partners. So maybe ठीक है, अभी 6 month मेरा ex के साथ relationship था, now I had a breakup and then I moved to relationship with Y. That is also multiple sexual partners, though not at the same time still. And then you don't know if Y has slept with some A and what the status of A is. So it is better, along with using a protection, please get yourself checked for STI regularly, which could be once in 6 months. Annual health checkups होते हैं. So my friend Rajni, she is like, I was talking to her and she said that yes, I get myself checked for STDs and STIs once a year. Even I have myself got checked. So it is important because see, we can go for a health checkup, right? We can go for a health checkup because we don't want to get other diseases. But sexual disease में इतना stigma क्यों है? तो it is equally for all the health aspects. अगर हम डायबिटीज़ से बचना चाहते हैं, हार्ट डिजीज़ से बचना चाहते हैं, किडनी फेलियर से बचना चाहते हैं, तो हम इनसे ही बचना चाहते हैं. तो मेक STI टेस्टिंग एटलीस्ट योर पार्ट ऑफ हेल्थ रेजिमेन. ओके, सो because one more reason is that even if you think that okay, someone is not infected with STI, STD, it may seem on the outside of it, but दे कैन स्टिल बी इन्फेक्टेड। तो STI STD सिम्टम्स जो होते हैं आने में बहुत टाइम लगता है, बहुत साल, 5 साल तक लग सकते हैं, जब आपको क्लियर दिख रहा है कि हाँ द पर्सन इज हैविंग STI and STD, some STDs. So it's better that do not rely on their appearance, but rather rely on the safety mechanism. So that is one thing. And you can also check for the sexual history of the person. That how was their sexual history, have they had unprotected sex before, because condom is, though it is like very much effective, 99.9% effective, but there could be some infection that can still happen. So it's always good to know about the sexual history of the person, like okay, if they had like 60-70 partners. I have had cases where men have said like I've slept with 100 women. I was like, oh god, you need to get yourself checked for STI for sure. So ये चीज़ होती है, इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है कि आप सेक्शुअल हिस्ट्री जाने अपने पार्टनर का, बात करें उनसे, एंड देन यू कैन डिसाइड ऑन वेदर यू वांट टू go for an STI test or not. If the person has been like really sexually active with lot of multiple sexual partners, threesome, foursome, orgies, swinging, swapping, these kind of things, then please ask them to go for an STI test. One more way you can actually have safe sex is by sticking to sexual activities that do not involve intercourse. So outer course का मतलब होता है frottage, dry humping, which is like you both are in your clothes and then you are actually humping and thrusting. So there is no genital contact, there is no skin to skin contact, so you can actually have outer course while wearing clothes. Mutual masturbation by using hands, so masturbating each other with its hands, and these are some of the activities that do not actually lead to any transmission, because skin to skin contact, genital skin to skin contact नहीं हो रहा है. Avoid drinking too much, like as I said in the before, like if you are drinking too much of alcohol, doing too much of drugs, you actually are not able to remember the safe sex tricks. So you can actually do not wear the condom properly also, and you can actually forget other sex basics, like you can have unprotected sex also if you are drunk. So please be in your senses. Now let's talk about low risk sexual activities and high risk sexual activities. So low risk sexual activities हो सकता है कि kissing होता है, touching each other partners with genitals होता है, using sex toys. So you can also use sex toys on the partner, like vibrator, dildos, tender eggs. So these penis के लिए भी rings आती हैं. So you can actually use sex toys, but make sure that you sterilize the sex toy after each use. So sex toy cannot make you pregnant, because pregnancy भी safe sex का part होता है, but they can definitely pass sexual infection. So sterilize the sex toy with a solution that is like coming from the manufacturer कि आपको ये particular sex toy इसके साथ use करना है, इस solution के साथ. So clean the sex toy after each use. Each use you have to clean it. Even if you are thinking, okay, it's just between me and my partner, they can still carry infection. And again, you can use lubricants along with the condom to even better protection, better sensation. So lubricants जो होते हैं, always use a water based lubricant for the condom and not the oil based lubricant, because water based lubricant is compatible. Oil based lubricant जो होता है, it can break the condom. And do not think that more the better. Okay, so when you say condom, and we know about female condom, we think okay, 2 condoms clubbed together, there is like a lot of protection, but no, it's not. If you are using a female condom and if the person is using a male condom, there could be a friction, the condom can break. So don't use 2 condoms together. Okay, and there are a lot of condoms, really good condoms. So they are designed to increase pleasure. Like they have these studs, they have these like ultra thin materials, flavors, colors. There is a ribbing, so you can actually use those kind of condoms, and special lubricants are also there. So you can actually put few drops of lubes in the condom, and then you can actually use it, or you can apply the lube on the genital of the female partner, and you can actually use it. So lubes are always advisable. Have lubes, have lubricants. And if your partner, some people say that they are allergic to condoms, that's also a kind like condom reduces pleasure. तो अल्ट्रा थिन कॉन्डोम यूज़ कीजिए. आजकल बहुत सारे डिज़ाइंस आ रहे हैं, बहुत सारे thanks to research and innovation, we have like great varieties in the condoms. So you can use ultra thin condoms. People who have allergy to latex condom can use polyurethane condoms. तो कोई बहाना नहीं चलेगा, कॉन्डोम यूज़ नहीं करना है, दूसरी वैरायटी अपनाइए अगर ये आपको सूट नहीं कर रहा है. Lubes are, like I said, lubes are very much important. You can put lubes inside the condom or rub it on the partner's genitals. And if you need more lubricant, please use water-based lubricants only. Oil-based lubricant can break the condom. Okay. Communication, like I said, communication is essential for safe sex. Please be honest about your sexual history. You don't need to brag. I have seen a lot of men bragging that these are like, okay, yaar, comments nahi aa rahe hain. Is there a problem? Okay, great, thanks, great. So like I said that water-based lubricants are good. And then let's talk about communication. Guys, are you able to see the because I'm not able to see the comments, I hope. Can someone comment, guys? Okay, great, Shivdas. Thank you so much for confirming. So, we were talking about the last piece of safe sex, communication. So, communication, like I said, that please be honest about your sexual history. I've seen men bragging about it, like, okay, we have slept with 40 women, 50 women. Please share actual number and say what was your history. How was your decision to practice safe sex? Were there instances where you had unsafe sex, right? तो ये सब चीज़ें प्लीज़ ज़रूर पूछिए और ये इम्पॉर्टेंट है. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सम सिम्टम्स ऑफ एसटीडी, जैसे सोर्स और वॉर्ड्स अराउंड जेनिटल्स. ओके, सो हाउ डू यू डिटेक्ट, लाइक if you're performing oral sex, or doctor said that okay, if you're even doing oral sex, because oral sex is relatively limited risk, low risk, but it still has risk. Especially the semen में अगर semen the man is ejaculated inside the mouth of the woman, or she has cut gums, bleeding gums, or okay. So yeah, I just lost the connection. So so I was talking about the STD symptoms. Okay, so what all STD symptoms can have? It could be sores or warts on the genital, like penis, vulva, sore or wart. There is some weird discharge. Coming from the penis or the vulva, and there could be some itching, swelling or irritation on the penis, vulva and anus. Okay, so these are some of the symptoms. Like if you are actually having oral sex, please observe the organ. You can actually see that okay, there are some pink spots, some unusual spots. These are called sores or warts on the penis or maybe on the vagina, or there is some weird fluid coming out from the vagina and the penis or the anus. So make sure you actually are vigilant. Okay, plus you check the sexual history of the person by asking them that okay, how were you, you had multiple sexual partners, or you had unprotected sex. So you should check about the sexual history of a person. Definitely, that's a must. Then in case if someone has a incurable STD like HIV or herpes, so please consult a doctor to take the medicines that lower the viral load in the bloodstream. So it comes to non-detectable status, the virus load, and you have to inform the partner that okay, this is what has happened. Though it is a very difficult decision, but you should be honest with them. Now, in case you have a curable STD, which is chlamydia, gonorrhea, syphilis, then you are under medication. You have already started medicines, but you have to refrain from sexual activity unless you are complete with the treatment period, because you can still pass on the infection. And also ask your partner to get themselves checked, because they might have the infection. So please wait to finish the treatment first and then resume a sexual activity. So guys, thank you so much for your time, and I hope you had a session like this. Was like wonderful session when we actually combined consent and safety. That, I mean, there could be no healthier sex where both of these are involved. Okay, so please make sure, please understand about safe sex is important, consensual sex is important, and what is consent, what is safety, we discussed about it. Okay, so be the force, be educated, be empowered, and stay tuned for our next session tonight at 9 p.m. So go key. Bye.